Alright guys, I'm here at the track at Fort McMurray. I'm going to test the bike today. I don't know if this is going to make it in like the main video or whatever, but if you can see around, it is insanely smoky out. So I don't think I'm going to get any good shots of the bike. So what I'm probably going to do is just unload it and fire it up and put the GoPro on, do a couple of laps and see how the bike functions. This video might be after the build video is done. Just so you guys can see kind of how it's running or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and unload it and then gear up and get the GoPro on. All right guys, so I'm geared up now. Like I said, it's insanely smoky out here. So this is just a test to make sure the bike's working okay. I'm not gonna be doing anything insane because it's crazy smoky out here. So I don't wanna be huffing this stuff in like crazy, working hard. So I'm gonna put on the GoPro there. I'm gonna fire up the bike and we'll do our first laps here and see how this thing's working. All right guys, let's see if this thing will fire up easy for me. It should. It's super hot out here, so. Sounds good. I'll probably just do a sight lap. Oop. Or not. First day on my new bike. Super dry, so I gotta take it nice and easy on it. Very slippery. Feels good though. I said I gotta take it nice and easy because this is slick here. Last thing I want to do is dump this bike. Feels nice though. It's really marbly too. If it's not dry and slick, it's marbly. snap it's got though. You can tell a difference in injection and in the carb bikes. Oh my god. One quick lap and then we'll have a look for leaks. See if there's anything going on here quick. Like I said, I'm not out here to do anything crazy. I just want to make sure this thing's running okay. I want to make sure we're not losing coolant or it's not overheating. It looks pretty good, so have a quick drink of water and then take it for a couple more laps. Alright guys, so I got one lap in on the bike. Bike feels good. Everything seems to be working perfectly. It's not overheating. Clutch feels good. Brakes feel good. It's super sketchy on the track. I don't really like riding the track when it's like this. Not only is it dry and slippery, but it's just really marbly. Like there's a bunch of like hard chunks on the ground where they cut the ruts down. So it's good that they cut the ruts down, but you lose traction. So I'm gonna put the GoPro on after and do a few more laps, and then I'm really gonna get a sense of how this bike is working, because I'm gonna let it cool down for now, because really the bike is not even broke in, so I don't want to really give her too hard on it anyway. All right guys, so we let it cool down a little bit here, so I'm gonna go do a couple more laps, maybe 3, maybe 2, we'll see. Like I said, I don't want to be out in this smoke too long. This track is like super sketchy right now. Bike, so everywhere on that. And this too. Good power though. This is super sketch, super sketch. Marbly. Like that's crazy. You might not be able to see it, but This is crazy. Different on this than my KX250F as well. First gear seems a little taller. Second gear seems to lug a little bit. Lost in the gears on this one. I think that's gonna be it for today. See, I don't want to get these too scuffed up, and I don't want to get this all scuffed up too bad. So just out here to test it. Everything seems okay. Doesn't seem like it's overheating or anything like that. I don't see any. Do a little bit of coolant coming out of there, but that might be just, sometimes it spits out what it doesn't want. I think if I had an overheat problem, it would have pissed out of there a little worse than that. I'll check the level anyways. Still got all my oil. Yeah, I'd call that a successful test. Alright guys, so I got a few laps in on the bike now. Like I said, nothing crazy. The track is super gnarly, just dusty, all kinds of marble everywhere. It's really slick. So I made it through 3-4 laps, so that's enough to tell how this bike is running. So it doesn't seem to be overheating. The oil's still in it. The suspension's working good, the brakes are working good, clutch is working good, so I'm happy with the bike. So now I can go ahead and put it up on Marketplace. Again, with the smoke, I would like to find, you know, better conditions to take pictures of it, but I'm gonna have to wait and see. It doesn't look all that great. Maybe we'll get a nice wind come in and blow all the smoke away, but we got a ton of fires around here, so I'm not too optimistic about getting good weather for shots, but like I said, we'll see. But that'll be it for this video, guys. So if you like this content, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like this, and we'll see you guys on the next one.